Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Typeform referral code. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you find your Typeform referral code? So if you want to refer a friend to Typeform. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, if you're looking for a referral code to Typeform, check my video description. I'll try to leave mine there. But why would you want to find your referral discount code anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes software will allow different referral codes. So that way, if someone signs up using your link, you get a bonus and so do they. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process to find yours in Typeform. It's all handled here in the Typeform dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Typeform and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Typeform referral code, you're going to need to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click here on Refer Friend, Get Rewards. Okay, so here is where you can get your referral code for Typeform. You can see right here, you're just going to copy your link by clicking there. Now you can go ahead and paste it into a Facebook group, into your Twitter, or wherever you share your referral code. Now the referrals could change at any time. So if you want to see what the current referral program is, you just click on this little eye. Okay, so here you can see if someone signs up using my link, I receive $20 up front and then 15% recurring monthly subscription up to a maximum of $500. So they give an example here. If the monthly subscription is $100, I receive $15 every month for up to 2 years. So it's a recurring commission, which is nice. And let me show you what the referral code link looks like. Let me open up a new browser. Okay, so here is what my link looks like. So if somebody clicks on my link, they're going to see this. You're invited, join Typeform, get started. It's free, no credit card required. And my Typeform referral code is embedded up here into this code. Now, once someone has used your referral code, you can go ahead and check the status over here. You're going to close this out. Okay, now here we are back here. And then we're going to click here on rewards. Okay, and you're going to be able to see the status right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Typeform referral code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.